Happy New Year and welcome to our final monthly challenge. Earn an Autodesk certificate of project completion by completing all 12 monthly challenges before this January ends. And joining the monthly challenge is very easy. All you have to do is email us your full name, school or company name to autodeskcommunityphilippines@gmail.com. Let's begin creating our platform, making sure under document settings our units is set to millimeter. Let's now create a new component. Heading to our main file, right click, selecting new component. Let's name this as platform. Next, hitting R for rectangle. Let's sketch on the XZ plane. Changing the rectangle type to center. Let's drop our center point at our origin. Keying in 45, hitting tab, 100, hitting enter, and hitting E for extrude. Let's select this profile. For direction, let's select symmetric, and for the whole length, it will be 12. Operation new body, hitting OK. Let's sketch on our XY plane. Going to XY, right click and select create sketch. Heading to sketch, let's select center to center slot. I'm going to create our slot here. Left click, and left click. Hitting escape and hitting D to grab our dimension. I'm going to select this point and this point. Key in 25, hitting escape. But first, I'm going to make sure that both of these center points are aligned horizontally. So selecting horizontal, vertical, selecting them both. Hitting escape, hitting D once more to grab our dimension, selecting this horizontal line, dimension to be 5, hitting enter. Let's grab our horizontal vertical constraint once more. Align this center point to our origin horizontally. Hitting D for dimension, select this center point and our origin. Give them a distance of 20. Let's create the circle as well. Hitting C, left click here, diameter to be 5. Aligning this to our origin horizontally. Selecting horizontal, vertical. Hitting D for dimension, selecting our origin and the center point of our circle. Distance to be 45. And hitting E for extrude, selecting our profile. In this instance, my cursor is prompting me to select this top face. In order for us to select the profile, I'm going to hold my left mouse button and a drop down will appear, selecting profile. Same here. Changing the direction to 2 sides. I'm going to grab this arrow. Same here. For side 1, selecting this to 2 object. Left click this arrow and left click this face. For our side 2, selecting 2 object. Left click our arrow and left click this face. Making sure operation is cut, hitting OK. Let's now create our link arm. Heading to assemble, selecting new component. Let's name this as link arm. It will be an empty component and our parent to be this unsaved, and we want this to be automatically activated, and this is not a sheet metal component, so let's leave this unchecked. Hitting OK. And we don't have any use for our platform, so let's isolate our link arm by right clicking, selecting isolate. I'm going to hit L for line. Let's sketch on our XY plane. Create a line with a length of 90.796. Hitting enter. Let's grab our horizontal vertical constraint, making this horizontal. Next, let's grab our midpoint to make this line midpoint to our origin. And this line is a sort of a guideline, so let's make this as a construction line, hitting X. Let's now grab our circle, hitting C, creating two circles. The value for our inner circle to be 5, hitting enter. Let's create another circle. This time I will not input any value, so left click, hitting escape, hitting D for dimension, selecting our circle, right click, and let's make this to be in radius. Left click, key in 4.4, hitting enter, hitting escape, creating circles here as well, hitting C, a small one and a big one, hitting escape. Next, I want to tie the diameters of the circles to be equal with our circles here. So I'm going to head over equal constraint, selecting this as the parent, child, this one to be the child. Same here, left click, the parent and the child. Hitting escape and hitting L for line. Let's create two lines from this intersection going to this circle, from this intersection going to this circle. Hitting escape. Let's make these lines, this one and this one, to be symmetric. Selecting this line, control left click and control left click our construction line, right click and select symmetric. Hitting D for dimension. Let's select this line and this horizontal line, left click here, the value to be 4.5. Hitting enter and hitting escape. Hitting E for extrude, selecting this profile, this profile, this profile. Same here, and this one. Direction to be symmetric. Our thickness, selecting whole length to be 2. Operation U body and hitting OK. Let's turn off the visibility of our link arm. Activate our main file. Right click and let's create a new component, naming this as pin long. Hitting C for circle. Let's sketch on our YZ plane. Let's drop our center point at the origin. Diameter to be 4.8. Hitting enter and hitting E for extrude. Direction to be symmetric and the whole length of our pin to be 54. U body, hitting OK. Activating our main file, right click, new component. Let's create our pin center. Naming this to pin center. Right click to isolate this one, hitting C. Let's create the circle on our YZ plane. Same diameter as before, 4.8. Hitting enter, hitting E for extrude. Direction symmetric, the length to be 4. New body and hitting OK. Activating our main file, right click and let's unisolate all. Our parent component is our platform, so I'm going to right click and have this grounded. In the next video, we will assemble our components and add joints.